Okay, starting with numerical number 17 of kinetic theory of gases, unsolved numerical. Find kinetic energy of 5 liter of gas. Here the volume of the gas is given to us, that is 5 liter. At standard temperature pressure given, standard pressure is given to us, that is 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. And what will be the temperature if it is standard temperature pressure? Temperature will be 0 degrees Celsius, and if we convert it into Kelvin, it will be 273 Kelvin. Now, before explaining this numerical, let me explain you some formulas of kinetic energy which will confuse you all. Let's see. Kinetic energy, if just it is kinetic energy and you have mass and mean square velocity, then this is the formula. Kinetic energy of a gas is 3 upon 2 pressure into volume. If it is kinetic energy per molecule, then the formula is 3 upon 2 kb, that is Boltzmann's constant, into temperature. Kinetic energy per mole, then it is 3 upon 2 R, that is universal gas constant, into T. If it is kinetic energy per mass, okay, kinetic energy per mass means kilogram, means some mass is given to you, gram, kilogram, mass of the gas, then this is the formula, 3 upon 2 RT upon m naught, molar mass of the gas. So you'll have to remember this 5 formulas of kinetic energy, which are really very confusing. If in the exam kinetic energy per mole is asked, you can get confused and you can use this formula over there. Many of you will get confused in this formula, so I have written all these 5 formulas together so that you will remember it, sorry. Now if you want to convert liter into meter, then you have to divide it by 1000. So we will divide it by 1000, that is nothing but 10 raised to 3, it is meter cube. So here we have converted volume. Now next step, what is asked? Kinetic energy of a gas. So I have explained you all, kinetic energy of a gas is 3 upon 2 pressure into volume. So kinetic energy of a gas is 3 upon 2 pressure into volume, that is 3 upon 2. What is pressure given to you? It is 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 into volume, which is 5 upon 10 raised to 3. Now if I try to cancel 2 ones are, and okay, let's not cancel at this moment, let it be as it is, 2 as it is. So 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15 into 1.013 upon 2, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 3. If I cancel this, here 2 remains, so 10 raised to 2. How? 5 and 3, here it was, you all understood this, very easy step. Then I can multiply these 2 digits, that is 1.013 into 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 ones are 5, plus 1 6, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. So it is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, 1, 5 and 1. So after point I have just 3 digits, so it will be 15.195. 15.195 upon 2 into 10 raised to 2. Now I can do the calculation. 2 7s are 14, it becomes 11. 2 5s are 10, it becomes 19. 2 9s are 18, it becomes 15. 2 7s are 14, 1 remains because of point, that becomes 10. So 2 5s are 10. So the digit is 7.5975 into 10 raised to 2, and since it is energy, it will be in joules. So this is the right answer. I hope everyone would have obtained this if you are doing the calculation with me.